Hiwalay nga ba talaga sina Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla? Narito nga ang mainit-init na balita ukol sa kumakalat ngayong isyu na hiwalay na nga ang Kathniel, at hanggang sa ngayon ay wala pa ring ibinibigay na opinyon ang dalawa, ukol sa kumakalat na balitang ito. Ayon sa aming source na nakalap ay palihim nga daw na nagkikita sina Daniel at Andrea, at ang isyu ngang ito ay mas umigting pa nang mapansin ng marami na nag-unfollow si Kath kay Andrea, at gayon din si Andrea kay Kath sa kani-kanilang mga Instagram account. Maraming nagsasabi na mukhang ito na nga ang pinakamatinding challenge sa relasyon ng dalawa, lalo pat may na-involve na artista sa isyong ito. Hindi lang din dito, napagpansin din na tila may mga pinagbabawal si Daniel kay Kath na ngayon ay parang hindi na nito sinasang ayunan. Gaya na rin lang mga new uploaded post look ni Catherine ngayon na mukhang revealing na din, kasabay ng paglabas ng bago niyang movie na A Very Good Girl. Ayon sa post, na time is the ultimate truth teller. Sorry to disappoint you Blythe but time is the ultimate truth teller, sabi ka ng sabi sa public na ikaw lagi ang biktima ng cheat, and for your bestie to save you lagi sa social media, akala mo aping api. You cheated on Seth and or Lucky kasi hindi ka niya in-expose sa public. Dear please listen and wake up, don't let him manipulate you over and over again. Guess who's begging for official statement sa management para hindi masira ang pangalan? No girl, hindi ka makakatakas ngayon at Daniel Padilla. You cheated on Richie too, right? Ikaw na una mag-cheat kay Richie. Now, you're the cap. This is not the first time na naging kapit ka. And for you to say to your friends na Kyle Jenner at Timothée Chalamet kayo ng Pinas. Girl, sorry to break you pero kabit ka. Ex lang habol niya. It's really sad to see him as a good guy, always in public, and as the ideal man for everyone. Come on, people, not everything you see on camera is real. If you guys only knew everything, I'm sure you'd be disgusted. Right, babe, at Daniel Padilla, and for you, Leech at @IamAndrea_B, the audacity for you to talk shit about her and keep on telling your friends that Daniel is into you. Him going to your condo, drinking at your place, overnight and planning secret travels for next year. Tingin mo hindi nakarating kay Kath lahat? Why does he need to cheat multiple times with different girls? Why does he need to have a sleepover in Blythe's condo? I'm sure you also know that your friends who know Daniel is a cheater are happy because the truth is out. Dear please listen and wake up, don't let him manipulate you over and over again. An open letter for Catherine at Bernardo. Kath and her cheater manipulator boyfriend and the ill beach. Catherine, I know you know by now what he did again. Please stop getting back with that guy who keeps cheating on you. If he really loves you and really sees you as his future wife. Hanggang ngayon ay wala pa namang kumpirmasyon na nanggagaling sa bawat panig, ngunit marami ang umaasa na ang lahat ng ito walang katotohanan. At sana ay okay nga lang ang relasyong Kathniel.